Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, how do you know if you can move the electrical in your walls? Well, there's a simple way to answer this. If you have a block home, which means it's built out of cinder blocks, right? In order to determine this, if you're like, I don't know, you can go to your property appraiser's website and it will say under the info of your home, concrete block or wood frame. Fun fact for you. So let's say you determine that. If you have a block home, if the electrical fixture or outlet or wall sconce or whatever, if it's on the walls and it's on an outside wall, which means it's a block wall, frankly, you're not going to be able to move that electrical fixture without doing drywall damage. So the answer is you can move it, but there's big implications to it. It's not just an easy thing. It's not an in and out thing. It's going to involve cutting out drywall, moving it, and then patching in the drywall and then painting. Kind of an ordeal. Now, on the other hand, if you have a wood frame home, there's a wall cavity, like there's a literal open space in the wall through which you could actually shove a wire or you could pull a wire down through if you're on an outside wall of a wood frame house. Now, on either a wood frame or block construction house, if you're on an interior wall, totally different situation. What you can do if you're on an interior wall is you can actually get up into the attic of the home. I've done this many times, so I know exactly how this goes. You have to actually measure out and find where the wall would be in the attic. So you're looking down at it from the attic. And then you have to figure out where the actual wood stud is. You should be able to find it because it should be sticking up from where the drywall is that's holding up the insulation. So you find where the horizontal top of the wall is, and then you can actually drill a hole down through it. The best thing to do is find where there's already wires going down in, and then either go next to those or go, near those in the same wall cavity between studs or wherever you're looking to go. You drill a hole down in, and then you can shove your wire down in there, and then you can just cut out the hole where you want the switch in the wall, and done. You've got your electrical fixture in the wall where you want it. So keep in mind that if you're trying to go through the attic and get something down into an exterior wall of a wood frame home, realize that at the exterior wall, the roof does this. So there's probably only going to be about that much attic space out at the outside wall. It's going to be very hard to reach. It's going to be very hard to drill that hole that you need and get the wire down in there. So be advised that that's going to be really tough. But that is a simple kind of idea on whether you can move electrical or not. If you're looking to move electrical as a part of a huge project, you're really looking to redesign your house and you've got a lot of electrical to move, and you need help doing either the design or the build, if you need a designer or if you need a contractor, go to homelove.construction, and if you need a contractor, you can fill out our contact form, or if you need help designing a remodel where you're moving a lot of electrical or doing something like that, go to homelove.construction/design, and we can help you design your renovation and show you a 3D image of what it's actually going to look like afterwards. It's amazing. You'll love that process. Thank you for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Peace.